In this video, I want to show you how to create Kriging Interpolation in Arcgis Pro. Kriging Interpolation is one of the interpolation technique that is very suitable for representing continuous surface. So let me show you how to carry it out in Arcgis Pro. So in Arcgis Pro, the first thing to do is to bring in the data you want to use. To bring in the data, come to Map and then click on Add Data. Then I want to use this air quality data and the boundary of the study area, which is Arizona. I'll click to select it and click on OK. Yes, here I have the boundary of Arizona, and also I have air quality data. So the first thing is to check the field or the attribute we want to use to do the Kriging interpolation. So I'll right click the air quality data and then open the attributes table. So when it opens, we can see some attributes here. You can see the daily mean concentration of the pollutants, and also we can see the daily AQI. So in this exercise, I want to use the daily AQI value or field to run the Kriging interpolation. So let me close this very attributes table. To run the Kriging interpolation, come to Analysis and click on Tools. Then come under Toolboxes and then scroll down to Spatial Analyst tool. Click to expand it and then come to Interpolation. Scroll down and here you can see various interpolation techniques. The one we want to execute in this video is the Kriging interpolation technique. So I will click on Kriging. Then the under parameter, our input point, click and select our air quality data, and then the field we want to use for the interpolation, click here and select the daily AQI. Then our output, we can just leave it as Kriging Air 2. Then we will leave the Kriging method at ordinary, and the semi-variogram model, leave it at spherical. Then we will need to set the environment. Come under environment, and here you can set the output coordinates if you wish to. Then the extent, come here, I want the extent to be the same as the Arizona boundary. Then scroll down. The mask, I want to mask it with the same Arizona boundary. So after you have selected this, click on Run. So this will run and create the surface raster of this air quality in the study area using Kriging interpolation technique. Yes, you can see it's done. So I can uncheck this boundary layer. If I uncheck it, you can see the results. Here is the air quality data within the study area as produced from interpolation using Kriging technique. And the beauty of Kriging technique is that it gives a very high quality raster surface, just as you can see it. So from here, you can reclassify the results based on your needs. But in essence, this is how to carry out Kriging interpolation in Arcgis Pro. If you have any question, let's know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.